Hey everyone, this is Elle from JnL Video Postcards. Today's adventure brings us to Governor's Island. Governor's Island is a 172-acre island in New York Harbor that is technically in the borough of Manhattan. From 1783 to 1966, this island served as a United States Army post, then an installation for the U.S. Coast Guard, and eventually it was sold to the city of New York for $1. The island is now in the process of being used as an art center and a public recreation area for every city resident and also for tourists. If you're wanting to grab lunch, there are food trucks and a number of restaurants on the island. There is also city bike stands and a place to rent bikes. Governor's Island played an important role in aviation history. Wilbur Wright of the famed Wright brothers flew the first U.S. military aircraft here in 1909. The bronze propeller you see here was a cast from the original wooden propellers that plane had. The Fort J Theater, shown here, was built in 1941 and showed first-run movies to the troops that lived here. Here you see the officers' quarters that are referred to as the Colonel's Row. One of the houses here was the last place Reagan met Gorbachev before he returned to Russia. Sadly, some of the houses here need a lot of repairs.
You see that I'm trying, but your mind won't unlock itself to let somebody in, spending every day fighting.
Next, our journey takes us to Castle Williams.
Seem to see we're on the same team. When will you just take it out on me? I'll say
Castle Williams was constructed between 1807 and 1811. And is one of the 3 military forts built on the island.
but first you gotta believe me. Where's your mind at, babe? We've been here, lost friends here. Believe me when I say, why don't you take it out on me? Take it out on me. Take it out on me. Why don't you take it out on me? Take it out on me. Take it out on me. Can't you see that I'm trying, but your mind won't unlock itself to let somebody.
The castle was originally used as a fort, and later on, it was used as a prison, and also a storage area.
We're on the same team. When will you just take it out on me? I'll say whatever it is you need. Your tens, I'll make it easy. Why don't you take it out on me?
The second of our 3 forts is the Southern Battery. The Southern Battery was constructed to protect Buttermilk Channel, which separates Governor's Island from Brooklyn.
Take it out on me. Why don't you take it out on me?
Last but not least, the oldest of our three structures, Fort J, that was built in 1794 and named after a founding father and Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, John Jay. Well, while Jay was filming this, he just walked by and thought this was just a place where tourists go. And maybe that skateboard was left there by one of the visitors. As he goes in, he starts thinking that, well, maybe this might be a house or somebody's home. But you know what, I'm gonna go back in. And then he sees, and you're gonna notice right away that this really looks like somebody's home. And he saw the couch and he's just run away, freaked out, thinking he was trespassing or something. When you visit, don't forget to check out the back of Fort J. It's a very, very nice view. And this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy our Governor's Island video and plan your visit to this wonderful place very soon.